The relevance of IP address tracker. Businesses today are exploring various digital channels to connect with their audience and achieve business growth. In this context, IP address tracking is getting highly relevant. An IP address is the unique address of any device in the network. This address helps devices gain access to the internet and connect with other devices in the network. Whereas, IP address tracker becomes an essential tool in managing networks. When it comes to large-scale networks, an IP address tracker with real-time address tracking and improved scanning provides complete visibility into your network. It relieves the task of manual IP address tracking. Advantages of IP address tracking. 1. Offer insights on data. IP address tracker provides businesses, especially B2B marketers, some exciting kind of data. Businesses then use this data to improve their analysis and enhance their performance accordingly. These trackers also help businesses to locate the connected devices. It becomes easier for businesses to understand their online audience better. It also gives the information on where does the brand has a better reach. Then, some advanced trackers produce some insightful website metrics such as general traffic, most preferred location and referrals. 2. Better execution of campaigns. The invaluable insights on data give marketers an idea about the changing requirements derived from varying data. Businesses can decipher and keep a tab on the changing needs of their audience. Marketers can use this knowledge to design the improved versions of their campaigns. 3. Generating more leads. IP address tracking provides insights that enhance campaign conversion, which ultimately produces more leads. Increased lead improves your website to a large extent, ensuring your business's increased rate of success. 4. Improved lead quality. IP address tracking as part of a website analytic tool can boost the lead quality. Quality of your leads is directly proportional to the increased amount of sale. With the information provided by advanced IP address tracking, the marketing team can build a useful lead scoring model. When leads are sales ready, you can close all your sales and witness the growth of your business. 5. Healthy sales pipeline. Investing in new marketing technologies like that of IP address tracking can have long-term returns. It not only generates leads but provides high-quality lead, which results in the improved sales pipeline. It helps in driving more revenue, and users can gain significant on their IP address tracking investment. Disadvantages of IP address tracking. While there are some incredible advantages of IP address tracking, it comes up with a few disadvantages. Following are a few of the disadvantages of IP address tracking. 1. Data inconsistencies. Data were drawn from public databases held by the Internet Service Provider (ISP), often prone to inaccurate and less exact data. It also happens because the location provided is approximate and not exact. However, some marketers can draw benefits from such data inconsistencies. But in general, marketers need to be precise in their IP tracking. 2. The way IP address work. All of the IP addresses work in one of the two ways, either it's a static or a dynamic. Static IP addresses remain constant while dynamic IP address tends to change whenever it's engaged with the outside network. IP address users usually face difficulty because of this difference in the way IP addresses work. Generally, there is no issue with the static IP addresses, but dynamic ones tend to misread the data. They don't offer businesses the usable information because of their changing nature. 3. Difficulty with shared IP addresses. There is a chance that various devices access the same IP. These shared IP addresses create issues by inaccurate data, which impacts campaign conversions and lead generation. Conclusion: businesses need to be ready to make investments in upcoming marketing technologies. IP tracking is one such technology. B2B organizations can improve their campaigning, generate and deliver higher quality leads, and drive more sales by deploying IP tracking. IP address tracking provides vast data with both advantages and disadvantages, but there are more chances for B2B to grow with this system by their side. A Bill Must production.